DVTV on the web. Brought to you by Diversity.
It goes so crazy.
I know, right? Like there's other ones
It
too.
looks like hearts over your mouth. It makes my nose. It makes my nose huge.
I know. It's like the weight of the movie. My God.
So, what's the next verse we're gonna film?
Oh, it's in my backpack. I'm gonna go get it.
Dude, did you see this finger trend thingy? Can you do it? Like this? Yeah. Oh, that's weird.
Hey boy, help me plug this cord in.
Right here, right?
Yeah, this one.
Alright.
Hey, look. We'll plug it in, bozo.
Whoa, what is that? We got so old before something. It's too late, man. Thank God. Thank God. If we die, just know I love you guys. What? We're not gonna die. That matters.
If we do die, let's just remember all the good times we had this year, guys.
Nothing. We didn't do anything. We're failures.
Will you shut up? We're not gonna die, okay?
Hello?
See? I told y'all, we'll be fine.
Dude, where did all the Snapchat filters go?
What the heck? They're gone.
Why is everyone acting so weird? Is it kind of like a spirit or something?
Hello?
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 You guys see that new Netflix show?
Oh yeah, the show about the strange things.
Yeah, like stranger things.
Things.
Yeah, like the Demogorgon.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
thing.
Look at that
She
queen.
slayed
I know.
that mother
Oh
of
my
one.
gosh.
Like,
I know. Wouldn't it be great if she had twins or something?
it would.
Look at that.
Excuse me?
Oh my gosh.
You guys mind if I ask what you're watching right now?
Beyonce, Formation, Super Bowl, halftime.
Did she just say Formation? But that came out 2016. Check your phone.
Oh my God!
Why is it 2016?
It says 2016.
Yo!
What?
It's 2016!
Crazy.
What do we do? How did this even happen? None of this makes sense at all.
Well, we have to be careful, right? If we do anything differently, okay, we might mess up the space-time continuum. Like, I don't know. Isn't that how it works, right? Is that how it works nowadays?
Oh my god, I think I'm going crazy. Aren't we gonna disappear or something?
Okay, we have to keep calm, okay? We'll figure something out.
We can't.
What if we run into our past selves? Won't we evaporate or something?
All right, relax. I don't think we gotta worry about.
I don't want to be the one to say it.
Must have been some type of sound booth time machine. Okay. Maybe this is like some type of sign. Something that maybe we can change what we did over the past years.
Which was nothing, by the way.
Well, I mean, yeah, which was nothing, but it could have been something. It can be something. We have the opportunity. Let's take it.
Well, what do you expect us to do?
Everything we didn't do, we have to be actually involved in now.
Wait, she's right. We never did anything. The most we've been to was a football game with Link Crew, but Eddie didn't even want to go.
I had better things to do, but I still went.
You can have that attitude, Ed boy. It's our only chance. We gotta make it right.
Basically, if we get involved with school and participate in the events, I think we'll have a better time.
Oh, so you mean we'll be broke?
Let's not mention that.
Okay, so then what should we do?
been here long enough. I want to get back to our time. I don't want to relive junior year again.
Nobody does, but we have to if we want to go back.
Well, not necessarily.
God, you almost gave me a heart attack. Who are you?
Never mind that. You wanna know how to get out of here, right?
Well, yeah, we want to go back.
Well, the answer is within you. Whether you know it or not. You guys remember all the fun times you had, right? You know, 4 years of high school go by sooner than you think. You should be living these years to the fullest with the friends you make along the way because, truth be told, you may never see each other again once graduation comes along. You know, it's better to be involved and enjoy it in the moment rather than sitting in the sidelines wondering what you could have been. You only have one life. Live it the best you can.
So what now?
We gotta get you guys back home.
Remember, DV, high school won't last forever. Have some pride in your school and be proud about being a Wolverine. Make these 4 years worthwhile. It can be your best or worst 4 years of your life, but it depends on you.
Go to the games, buy tickets for dances, participate during lunchtime activities, support your fellow performers at the choir and dance concerts, dress up for the spirit days, make new friends, support your class.
You only get one shot at high school within these 4 years.
Live it up to the fullest and enjoy the DV lifestyle.
Action!
You guys are still here?
Dude, you should totally like and subscribe and check out this channel more. No? Pretty cool.